Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for YouTube script writing. In this walkthrough, we'll keep the process simple and practical so you can quickly generate a YouTube script idea using Claude. If you're creating content and want help turning a topic into a structured script, this is a great place to start. First, open Claude by going to the new chat page. Starting in a fresh chat helps keep your requests focused and makes it easier for the AI to respond clearly. Once the page loads, you'll see the main message box where you can type your prompt. This is where you tell Claude what kind of YouTube script you want help creating. Next, enter a sample prompt about YouTube script writing. This is the most important part of the process because the quality of the response depends a lot on how clearly you explain what you need. For example, you might describe the topic of your video, the tone you want, the target audience, or the structure you prefer. If you want a script that sounds educational, entertaining, beginner-friendly, or professional, this is the time to say so. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful the output will usually be. As you type, try to keep your request direct and easy to understand. A well-written prompt can save time later by reducing the amount of editing you'll need to do. If you're just getting started, don't worry about making it perfect. Even a simple prompt can give you a strong first draft to build from. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter to send it. Claude will begin generating a response based on your request. Depending on the complexity of the prompt, this may take a moment. When the script appears, read through it carefully and check whether it matches your intended topic, style, and audience. AI-generated content is often a helpful starting point, but it usually works best when you review and refine it before using it in a final video. That's all it takes to begin using Claude for YouTube script writing. Open a new chat, enter your prompt, and press Enter to generate your draft. With a clear prompt and a little review, you can speed up your script writing process and create content more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get started with confidence.